guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel. So as you saw by the title, today's video is about the iPad Pro. So excited. I'm so excited. I've been wanting this iPad since the summertime. It's October right now, so, and my birthday is in November, so this is like an early birthday present to me. So excited. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you guys some of the accessories I got first, and then I'll get right into the iPad. So the first accessory I got was this. This is one of the smart files, or I don't know how to say it. But anyway, this is that. It's magnetic. It has the thing so that you can kind of like put it like, is it like that? How you know how it's supposed to, so it could sit up, you know, so it could sit like this and stuff like that. It got like magnetic. Oh, so yeah, so it can sit just like this because it folds over like that. So I got that. I was going to get the Magic Keyboard. I thought the Magic Keyboard was like 200 and something. But for the 12.9, it was $350. So I was like, oh no, I'll wait to get the Magic Keyboard. So I got this. And this was not that cheap either. This was $100. So yeah. So the next item I got was the pencil. I just felt like at that point I just should get the pencil too, because I got the iPad Pro. So why not have the pencil to go with it? Because it's the iPad Pro, it needs the pencil. I didn't get the smart keyboard, so I needed something. The pencil was $129, and yeah, I'll open it in a second and we can look at it. And so last but not least, I bought my iPad from Apple, and with Apple you can have your student discount, and when you have your student discount right now, they're giving out free earpods. So I got a pair of free earpods when I purchased a iPad Pro, or if you purchase a MacBook, you'll get a pair of free earpods. And I just got the standard ones, but if you get the iPad Pros, no, if you get the AirPod Pros, you can pay $90 and get the Pros, or you can just get the regular ones for just free. And these are originally $160, so yeah, I feel like I got a good deal. I got these for the free 99, So let's get into the showstopper, the iPad Pro. So here she blows, and let's unpackage her. Ooh.
Okay, let's go. Oh god. If I can get it out. Probably shouldn't do this on the bed, right? Oh my god! Come out! Oh my goodness, this is beautiful already, Greg.
Ugh, this thing looks so pretty. And then I got it also, I bought it from Apple, but I got it for, this is so big. Oh my god. I should have probably got the little one. This thing is huge. Oh my god, this thing is really big. But I was just saying, I got this from Apple, but I put it on my cellular plan with AT&T. So this is also a Wi-Fi and cellular iPad Pro. This is the 12.9 inch, and this is the 128 gig. I wanted the 256 gig, but they did not have that one in the space gray. They only had it in the silver, and I wasn't interested in the silver. I wanted the gray. And he was asking me like all this type of stuff I'll be downloading, and like I don't really foresee myself downloading like a whole bunch of stuff to this. Like if anything, I'm using this more for apps, for like photo editing, like thumbnail editing I shall say, and like little photos like put up on Instagram, like nothing major, and also for taking notes for school. I'm using this as kind of a laptop device, so I didn't really feel like I was losing too much by not getting the other like 100 and something gigs, because I really don't feel like I'm gonna have large files on this. The biggest things I probably have is pictures and apps. My phone right now, I have the iPhone Max. Oh, get the plastic off. I have the iPhone 10, and I have the 256 gig, and I'm actually only using 85 gigs of it right now, and I've had this phone for 2 years, so that kind of tells you that I don't max out on the gigabytes. But ooh, oh my god, already a smudge. Like, come on. Already I could tell this is going to catch a lot of fingerprints and a lot of dust. Like, already. Oh, is this the bottom? Where's the top to this thing? Okay, how do I turn it on? Let's turn it on. Oh, you're going to see my ring light. Is this the power button? Ah, it is the power button. Oh, this is like huge. God, this thing is big. Oh my God, I did not, I really didn't think this was going to be this big, you guys. Like, this is big. Hello. Okay, so let's get into it. Oh, wow. So, it's like having me set up my, oh, it's having me set, like, it used my phone to, like, set it up already. So, that's cool. I gotta get a screen protector. I was watching a girl's video and she was like sponsored by this company. It's like pencil something. I gotta go back and see if I can find the video because I would love a screen protector because this thing is huge. But right now it's just saying it may take a few minutes to activate my iPad. So yeah, this is the iPad, guys. I will probably definitely come back with another video of like what's on my iPad Pro. If I like the iPad Pro, I can already tell you right now, like this thing is huge. Right now it's just having me set up like my Face ID and all types of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link down below all the stuff that I got, how much it costs, blah blah blah. I also link down below the screen protector that I'm probably gonna buy for this, and look out for more videos. Bye guys.